Hi guys, I am back with another amazing recipe you are going to like. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking banga soup, so keep watching. I'm starting off with a neatly washed meat. I'm going to be adding my spices and then steam it for about 10 minutes before I cook it properly. One of the most important things for me when cooking meat is seasoning of the meat. I really love my meat to taste very nice when cooking. Next, I'm just going to mix it properly and then cover it now to steam for about 10 minutes. Banga soup is one of the most popular soup you will find in the eastern part of Nigeria and is very easy to prepare. Any home you visit on Sunday they cook banga soup, or maybe you attend occasion, you are going to be served banga soup. After 10 minutes, I'm going to stir it around and then add water on it, allow the meat to cook proper this time. Once the meat is properly cooked to my taste, I'm just going to remove it, put it in the air fryer and dry it because I really love eating dry meat. Banga soup is very popular in the eastern part of Nigeria. Like any home you visit on Sunday, they cook banga soup. Or maybe you attend marriage ceremony or birthday parties, you are going to be served banga soup. Once I'm done, I'm going to put the meat in the air fryer and allow it to dry. Next, I'm going to be adding the quantity of water that is needed for this particular recipe. And then I'm going to be adding my smoked fish. You can also use dry fish if you prefer. Banga soup need a lot of ingredients to make it taste very nice. Next, I'm going to be adding this Ghana fresh. Here in the UK, there's nowhere you find fresh palm nuts, so we normally use the processed one. But this particular brand is the best I have ever used. After using this Ghana best to cook the banga stew, it normally comes out very nice and it tastes fresh as if you use the fresh palm nut to make it. So I'm just going to add it into the pot just like you are seeing now. Next, I'm going to be adding my dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper if you have. And then I'm going to be going in with the onions. And then I'm going to be adding my crayfish. After which I will just cover it and allow it to boil. Next, I'm going to be blending these ingredients of mine. When it comes to cooking banga soup has a lot of spices you can use to make it taste nice. In today's video, I am using Ofe. It is a local dawa. I love to call it local spice. I'm just going to grind it and then pour it out in a bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding my Maggi and salt. And then I'm going to be adding the Ofe, which is going to make this banga soup to taste very delicious. After stirring it around, I'll cover it to steam for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to be adding my frozen scent leaf. Whenever I go to the shop and see fresh vegetables, I buy it and store it in the freezer. Next, I'm going to be adding the dry meat. Looking at this banga soup now, you can tell it is ready. So now, how do you know that this banga soup is ready? Looking at it, you can see the oil on top of it. This is to show you that this banga soup is ready. I'm just going to stir it a bit and then allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. And then that is it. Your Ofe Akwu is ready. See how beautiful it is. You can enjoy this with rice, you can enjoy it with swallow, depending on what you are using it for, you are going to enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're new to this platform, you love my recipe, subscribe and let's become one big family, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't get to miss out each time I bring another amazing recipe your doorstep. Bye!